Can you sneeze with your eyes open? Short answer, it's technically possible, but good luck trying. You see, sneezing is like a full-body workout for your face. Your diaphragm contracts, your chest tightens, and bam, your body shuts your eyes faster than you can say, achoo. Why? It's a reflex. Your brain flips the auto-shutdown switch to protect your eyeballs from, well, flying debris, or maybe your sneeze reaching Mach 3 speed. Now, you're probably wondering, will your eyes pop out if you force them open? Don't worry, that's just a myth. Your eye sockets are pretty secure, but forcing them open mid-sneeze, that just sounds like a recipe for disaster and some seriously awkward stares. So, can you do it? Sure, some people claim they can, but honestly, focus on your sneeze, not your eyeballs. Gesundheit.